May I know? Can you please type it in the chat box? Sino po? Okay, it is the ROD. It is the resident or the fellow. Okay? Who else? Okay. So, natumbok ninyo ha. Ito ngayon yung tanong ko. Yung bang ROD ninyo? Naturuan ba yan? Were they trained to do it properly to fit the requirement of PhilHealth? The chances are they were not trained. So naturally, do not expect them to produce good or PhilHealth-friendly admissibility data or information for the claim because they were never trained to do it. So naturally, how to fix this? You need to train them. Okay? Kasi itong mga one-liner na HPI, disgrasya ho ito sa CF4. Okay? Kapag hindi ho ginawa, pag na-shortcut ho ito, there is no chronology. There is no severity of the progression. Okay? There is no documentation of failed OPD treatment. Okay? One sentence cannot actually explain bakit maa-admit yung pasyente. This will be a problem. How do you fix this? Train them. Okay? The question is, do you have the capacity to train them? Okay? If you want help, let us know. Number 8, another problem, admissibility ignorance, not following the CPG. This is wherein you go beyond the CPG. Kasi ho, lahat ng sakit, nakasulat doon when to admit and when not to admit. Okay? When mild cases are admitted without objective severity markers, wala kang mga severity signs and symptoms, and then inadmit ninyo, dahil hindi lang naisulat, okay, pagdududahan yan. Okay? Yung CAP-MR ninyo, yung dengue severe, yung asthma, yung UTI, ano ba yung mga severity markers? Okay? Kasi nandun lang din yan sa CPG or nandun lang yan sa quality policy. If you get to write that in the chart, and it will be seen also in the CF4, you will have no problem. Okay? Next is this. Admissibility, ignorance. There's no indication for surgery. Okay? Now, marami ho ito. Okay? Cesarean section performed, hindi naman inexplain. Okay? May leg fracture, hindi naman ipinakita or isinulat ano ang dahilan. May brain surgery, kulang naman ng evidence or hindi naman pinakita to support. Okay? Even some foot debridement. Okay? Now, don't get me wrong. Right now, marami hong nakakalusot dyan. Right now, hindi masyado tinututukan. Okay? Yung indication to do the surgery. But believe it or not, pagdating ng DRG, hahanapin yan. Okay? Because that's the basis of payment. Okay? Bakit kailangan ng surgery? So you need to explain that. So right now, make sure i-highlight na ho ninyo yung CS, bakit ginawa, bakit nagtabso, okay, bakit nag-acute appendicitis, bakit nag-XLAP. Just add it. Just add the reasons para hindi ho kayo pagdudahan.